Dean Sir, Mr. Ghosh will like to address you something very important for your career in future. I'd like you all to welcome Mr. Bharat with a big round of applause. Thank you. So now, Mr. Ghosh will tell you something about this program or in your career future, and then Mr. Bharat will come in front of you to address you. Thank you.
Good morning, students. So today is the opening day of our international seminar. The name of the seminar is How to Become a General Manager. The name of the today's seminar is How to Become a General Manager. So before starting our program, I'd like to state a couple of things, and I'd like to share a couple of things to all of you, that why we are doing this in our college. What is the motive behind this? The motive behind this is, I have watched carefully that after the completion of the course, bachelor degree or master degree, you are joining in the industry as a fresher. Maybe as a management.
Hi, good evening.
Maybe as a management trainee, maybe as a HOT, means hotel operation trainee, maybe as a GSA and other fresher positions offered by the hotels. So you are working there in five-star hotels and in other sectors in the hospitality industry, maybe for 1 year, maybe for 2 years. So after that, what is your goal? Somebody only works throughout their whole career in one particular position, but they do not know how to go in their career path. What to do to increase the designation or to grow their career. Suppose one student is joining as a Commie 3 in the culinary department, but his or her intention is to become an executive chef. But the student do not know how to become an executive chef or how they can perform in the industry so that the student at last can become an executive chef. So our intention is to guide them so that they can achieve their aim at last. Our intention is to tell them or to shape their career so that one student can become to the apex of their career. Suppose one student is starting their career as a GSA or in the F&B service department as a fresher. But his motto or intention or aim is to become an F&B manager. But he or she do not know how to do it or how to grow so that he or she can achieve his aim. Same case or the same thing in front office also, housekeeping also. They are starting their career, but they do not have the knowledge to become or to how to become a front office manager or a housekeeping manager. So to excel their career or to excel their future hand, we are doing this seminar. And this is the first time in India we are doing it, to enrich the knowledge in the students so that they flourish with the flying colors. This is the main objective of this international seminar. So I hope the students will learn from the best industrialists, those who are here and simultaneously will come. So we have invited a lot of distinguished persons from the industry. However, it is very difficult to get time with their busy schedules. We have managed to bring someone. Some managers said that they will come. Maybe you will see that in the event of F&B manager, executive chef is coming, because on that particular day, he is not available. So in this way, different chefs, different F&B managers, front office managers, housekeeping managers will come, and they will share their valuable experiences to you so that you can learn from them and you become success, or you become a professional person in your career. Today we got Mr. Bharat, Mr. John Savage. He will explain you one by one how to excel in your career, and other distinguished guests will come. Among the distinguished guests, Mr. Anand Shai, Chef Anand Shai will come from Bangkok. He is the present executive sous chef of the park. Chef Leo from Taj Bengal, he is the executive chef of Taj Bengal from China. He will also come. Mr. Richard Skinner, all the way from the UK, will come to guide you to become the manager. Apart from that, the director of Broadmoor Hotel from the USA, he will also come and will guide you how to become a manager. So the managers from the Westin, the managers from the Oberoi Group, the managers from Hyatt and other renowned hotels will come and share their valuable experiences, so that you gather knowledge and you excel and you learn simultaneously and you prepare yourself from the basic level, so that your future grows with the flying colors. So that's all from my end. I hope the students will be benefited greatly or vehemently through this platform which we are trying to make. And that's all from my end. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.